Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you where your charger ports, aux port, and USB ports might be. So from this style, there's an aux port right here. You plug your music into. We've got a charger port right here. And if you open up this center, there's another charger port towards the bottom. And on the back of this armrest, there's also a charger port right down there if I'm getting it in view. And then especially if you've got like an aftermarket radio installed, worth checking on the side. Sometimes they run an extra cord you can plug into, or cord into the glove box. That might be like a USB port you can plug into. And all that said, if some of this isn't working properly, the next thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could make these inoperable. If that's not the case, and say just like one of these isn't working, somewhere you might need to dig around behind the plastic to make sure there's no loose connections that need reconnected or replaced. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.